Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video, we will teach you how you can enable the screen sharing feature for your Zoom meetings really quickly. So let us get started. So let's assume you're inside your Zoom meeting, guys. All you need to do is click on the share button here at the bottom, or use the shortcut Alt-S on your keyboard to enable the screen sharing feature. After that, select your output or your source, like your display, for example, or below a list of folders or applications running on your device like your PC or laptop. So let me stick with the entire screen. After that, guys, what you want to do is select, for example, here to the right, whether you'd like to share the sound also with your participants while sharing your screen, or also show yourself via webcam, for example, in the bottom left corner or in the top right corner. You may adjust the position here, for instance, if you'd like to show your Zoom meeting participants yourself while talking to them via camera, and also have your screen shared in the background. So once that's done, guys, simply click on share here once you're content with your setup to start the screen sharing. And as you can see, guys, now my screen is being shared, the entire display, as you can see, guys. So you may, for example, communicate with your meeting participants here at the top, enter the chat, or enable or disable your camera, the audio. So basically the features and functions you have access to in your normal Zoom meetings, with the difference that now everything is being recorded on your display, guys. And that's basically it. Once you would like to stop the screen sharing, simply click on stop share here, or use the shortcut Alt-S to stop the screen sharing and to return to your Zoom meeting. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you record your screen while having your Zoom meetings. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you next time.